40 days ago, I started a brand new Instagram account. 0 followers, no paid ads, no showing my face. Just AI tools and strategy. Today, my account has more than 100,000 followers, and I am going to show you the exact system I used to do it. Here's what makes this course different from every other Instagram course you have seen. 1. This is not theory. This is my real case study. Every single strategy in this course, I tested it on a real account in 2026. 2. This is 100% AI powered. You are going to learn how to use AI tools to create viral reels in minutes, not hours. 3. You never have to show your face. This entire system works with faceless content, AI visualize, AI voiceover, zero camera required. Instagram changed in 2026. The algorithm now rewards original AI content. Hashtag work differently. Keyword-based SEO is everything, and faceless creators are exploding right now. This is the biggest opportunity window for creators. The people who move fast, they are building six-figure followings while everyone else is still trying to film perfect video on their phone. You are either ahead in this wave or you are behind it, and this course puts you ahead. I will share every secret, most highly valuable secret prompts which will change everything. In this masterclass, you are going to learn how to create viral reels using AI in under 10 minutes, how to write hooks that stop the scroll every single time, how to optimize your profile in Instagram 2026 algorithm, how to grow faceless account without even being on camera, and how to scale to 100k followers in 40 days using my exact roadmap. Every lecture is actionable, every tool is explained, every strategy is proven. You don't need tech skill, you don't need a big budget, you just need to flow the system. Here is my promise. If you show up, flow every lecture and take action, you will see the result. I grew to 100k in 40 days. You can hit 10k, 50k or even 100k yourself. But you have to start. Click enroll, start lecture 1. Let's build your Instagram empire together. I will see you inside the course.